Coming in for Sean Kelly and Gator Break Lee Humphrey, who will preview our matchup today. Renewal by Anderson, Custom Windows and Doors, proud partner of the Florida Gators. Take it away, Sean and Lee.
All right, Tom, thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Exemtech Arena, where we'll make history today. The 15-2 Florida Gators welcome in 12-5 Texas. It'll be the first ever meeting between Florida and Texas in SEC play. It's been 27 years since the Gators and Longhorns met in men's college basketball. Let's get right to it.
From the keys to the game, presented by Renewal by Anderson. Here is the voice of the Gators, Sean Kelly, and Gator Break Lee Humphrey, who will preview the matchup tonight. Renewal by Anderson, Custom Windows and Doors, proud partner of the Florida Gators. Take it away, Sean and Lee.
Tom, thank you very much. What's up, Gators? I have a question for you tonight. Are you ready to see Micah Handlock come back on the floor? I have more good news. The NCAA Selection Committee came out with their first projection today. They have the Florida Gators as a #1 seed in the West. And so with that, let's go our players to watch for the matchup tonight in South Carolina. Thomas Houck is coming off one of his best games as a Gator. He'll make his first start of the season tonight for Florida and for South Carolina. And the big one in Colin Murray Boyles. We'll keep an eye on him as well. Lee Humphrey, let's get Lee's keys to the ball game brought to you by Renewal by Anderson.
Tonight, I think it's important for us to play our style. Without the Gators base, South Carolina has not handled pretty well from the 37% of conference leadership. They held us to 70 points out of South Carolina. We're going to try to change that out of us tonight.
All right, let's check those keys as we progress. The Gators look to make it 4 in a row tonight. We'll do it. Go Gators!